All right, let's quickly just wrap up week 6, look ahead to week 7. So for your reading quizzes, I started to grade some of them. Got some of them graded. I should start again sometime today or tomorrow and get those finished up for you. Good week in the discussions. Again, as always, very good initial posts, very good responses. I again will start grading those too. Hopefully have those graded within a day or two as we get ready for week 7. All right, so week 7. So this week, we're going to go over a lot. We're going to recognize the common characteristics of autoerotic death and how they occur, define the various sex-related offenses, answer why do women not report rape or sexual assaults. We're going to identify homes and homes, 2009 research, the philosophy behind the act of rape. We're going to define typologies of the rapist, explain sexual motivations in homicide investigations, recognize the types of patterns and burns and injuries found in child abuse, define and discuss the shaken baby syndrome, explain Manchun syndrome by proxy, identify types of child molesters, outline types of child pornography, answer how do pedophiles lure children by using the internet, discuss the profile of a child abductor, and then delineate the difference between pedophilia, hemophiliac, and a see if I get this right, mysoped. All right, so we're going to read through chapters 10 and 11 in our textbook, covering sex-related offenses and crimes against children. There's also a link and other areas to go through to read through for this week as well. In our first discussion this week, week 7 sex-related offenses, there's a video for you to view and an article to review. Then after reading that and the resources that are in this week, please respond to the questions. In your opinion, what are the major reasons men and women do not report rape? And then the second portion is going to be in executing a search warrant for the investigation of a possible drug-facilitated sexual assault. What kind of evidence should be collected, and why do we want that evidence? Why is it important to the case? All right, for our second discussion this week, week 7, crimes against children, there's a few articles for you to read through. Then respond to the following. What's the best tool to protect children from internet predators? Explain your answer on that. And then provide a documented criminal case where the offender was convicted of either Manchun's syndrome by proxy or shaken baby syndrome. Briefly go over the case, and if you can, provide a link to the case too. All right, and then we also have our week 7 reading quiz. That's going to be worth 10 points. You have 20 minutes to take it. You'll have one attempt to take that. And then lastly, we have our week 7 crime scene project, part 1. You and your team are going to be executing a search warrant for a missing person for the manufacturing of methamphetamine at an address in Augusta, Missouri. And there is a pretty good assignment instructions there for you to review. I've listed them above here too in my written welcome to week 7 announcement. So just remember, after you submit the initial draft of this report, you will then have access to the mark scene with more specific information to help you further refine and complete your police report. So again, if you have any questions about any assignment from this week or anything coming up, please feel free to let me know. Send me an email, call me, or text me. All right. Good luck to all you in week 7.